This video explains how to set up automatic email notifications and automatic text messages to your customers when significant trip events occur. The most important step is to build your template alert record. This only needs to be done once, but it is extremely important to make everything else simpler. To find your template record, go to your CRM tab, look at all your customers, and change the CRM status to template and click the templates only setting. Find the template record and drill into the template record. This is your CRM template record. From the customer template record, go to the contacts list. There will be at least one contact template in the contacts list. Drill into the contact template. From the contact template, click on the alerts. This will open up all the alerts defined for this particular contact. Since this is my template, I'm going to click on New Alert and set up what I want my standard alert to be for every time I create a new customer contact alert. Yours might be different, but for me, I'm going to set mine to be an automatic email if this contact is a shipper, a consignee, a bill to, the logistics company on an order, or the authorized company on an order. And I want the events to be chosen to be when I pick up at the shipper, loaded at pickup, arrived at delivery, and delivered. I'm also going to set my default template that if I've arrived at the shipper and haven't loaded within 60 minutes or arrived at the consignee without emptying within 60 minutes, that I'm going to send this customer an email alert. Finally, if the customer wants to get check calls, I can also set my template up to have a check call. So a check call email will go out every 60 minutes. Then save the alert. Once I have my template alert record set up, it is very simple for me to add a template to an existing contact. I go to the CRM or customer record, find the contact that I want to create the alert for, click on Alerts, click Add New Alert, and when that happens, it's going to bring in all my defaults from my template. Simply save the alert if those are the rules I want to apply. Let's understand all the parts of this screen. At the top of the screen, you'll find the information about the contact and the customer. Right below that is what type of alert do they want. The default will be what will come from the template record. Your options are automatic email, meaning this contact will get an automatic email when the event occurs. Text message means it will go to their cell phone number stored with their contact record. Phone means that you will manually call them. Fax means you will manually send them a fax. Email means you will manually send them an email. And EDI means that there's some sort of electronic data interchange that will be used to send the information to them. As much as possible, you want to use either automatic email or text, as this will inform the customer automatically when the event occurs in an order. The next section defines how this person wants to be notified depending on how their customer record is recognized on the order. If they are a shipper on the order for any pickup location, if they are a consignee for any delivery location, if they are the bill to customer on the order, if they're defined as a logistics company associated with the order, if they are the company that's calling the freight in, or if they are the person calling the freight in, this particular option says only contact them if they are the person on the order. If anybody else from their company is the person on the order, they don't want to be notified. The next section are all the different ways the customer contact can be notified based on events. The only automated events are dispatched, auto-dispatched, arrive at pickup, loaded at pickup, arrive at delivery, and delivered. On the right side are some special settings. Do you want to send the rate with the email? This will only go out to the bill to company. If you've arrived at the shipper and haven't loaded within a predetermined amount of minutes, do you want to send them an alert that a detention charge may apply? Likewise, if they've arrived at the consignee and haven't emptied within a certain number of minutes, send them a notification that a detention charge may apply. If you want to send them a check call, how many minutes between the check call? So we'll save this alert and then use this company on an order to show how the automatic alerts will occur. Here is our sample customer. Alpine Electronics of America will dispatch this order and do the events to see how the automatic emails occur. Here's our dispatched order with the pickup at Alpine Electronics. What I'll do is the arrive event. The arrive event allows me to choose the date and time it arrived. The default will show the current date and time, and any reason late I can choose from a drop-down. When I click the arrive, what will happen is the system will update the order status to show that it's arrived at that shipper, and then look to see if there's any emails or text messages that need to go out to contacts. It will then send those emails and text messages out. This is what the email will look like. identifying the pickup location, all the delivery locations, the pieces and weight, the bills of lading, and it will also have a link where the user can view the actual track and trace information. It will give them all the information about all the pickup and deliveries on that particular shipment. So as we run loads for this particular customer with this contact, they will get automatic notifications when we arrive at the pickup, load at the pickup, arrive at any delivery, and deliver any load where they are the shipper, consignee, bill to, logistics company, or authorization company to load. If we were to change this to text, they would get a text message. The text message is short, but will have a link where they can drill into the online track and trace. I showed you how the events can occur when we do a manual event like an arrive or a load. It can also occur by the driver doing some sort of automated event within their cab and the telematics solutions they have in the cab. Here are the things you should do to make this work best for you. First, set up your template to the way you want your business to operate. Second, test it on yourself. Set yourself up to get automatic emails and automatic text messages. Third, create your customer contacts and set them up to get email and text messages on significant trip events. Fourth, promote it to your customer as a value-added service you offer. Using this powerful tool will improve your customer communications, improve your customer service, improve your operational productivity, and make you look like a star in your customers' eyes.